Oh my goodness.
Just look at this.
I have like an energy just flowing through me right now. It energizes me and calms me at the same time. Welcome to Paso Robles, or Paso Robles, or Paso Robles. That's it. Welcome to the land of the best wines in the West, the tastiest olive oils in the US, and the craziest psychedelic art installations.
If you are new here, welcome. We are Scott, Colette, Scotland, and Lucy, an adventurous family dedicated to empowering you to dream big, explore more, and discover life. After traveling to over 80 countries as a couple, we added 2 new members to our family and decided to hit the road. This is our journey up California's iconic Pacific Coast Highway in this beautiful 27-foot airstream. We've got 18 special years to roam as a family, so join us as we navigate this beautiful world together.
Highway 1 is full of hotspots like Santa Barbara and Big Sur, but Central California is something special. It's where world-class wines meet that small-town feel, and there's just no place in California quite like it. Okay, so tonight we are at Sensorio, which is an art installation in Paso Robles. We're here just as the sun is setting over these magnificent hills, and we are surrounded by lights because this is a huge light installation. It's only Friday and Saturday nights, and they have food and they have drink and they have live music. It's going to come alive in just a few minutes as the sun sets.
Okay, now this is really cool. Now that the sun's gone down, you can see the fields are all lit up behind us. It is stunning. I mean, this is Coachella wrapped up into one little art installation. I can see why it's so popular and so just so cool to come to. Colette and I didn't realize it, but we got caught up dancing in the light towers for like 20 minutes, and all of a sudden she's like, hey, we gotta get going. Like, it's time for her to go to sleep.
I think it's amazing. I think walk around and see it from all different angles because it gives different perspective in different areas.
It's really cool.
Is, right? See?
See? The next stop on our Tour de Paso is wine. Paso Robles is one of California's lesser known wine regions, but it's also the fastest growing. Paso Robles is famous for its Rhone style wines that are similar to Châteauneuf-du-Pape. If you're curious about that wine region, you can see more on our video here. But before we hit the wineries, we had to make a quick stop at one famous breakfast spot.
So right now we just have breakfast.
You guys know that Scott is the breakfast burrito king of California and New Jersey. I found a place called Finca in Paso Robles. They have breakfast burritos only on Fridays and Saturdays from 8:30 a.m. to sell out. And supposedly they sell out within the hour.
What time do you normally sell out a burrito?
Within the hour usually.
We got here right when they opened and they're already busy. And so now it's time to dive in. Here is my opinion of the burrito. It is like a purist burrito. Very simple, good hash browns, good eggs, ham, cheese, green onions, and the hot sauce is just spicy with a little bit of flavor. This is very good, and I would recommend come take a trip here. If you're up early in the morning, if you have a little one like this, definitely up. Then you're definitely up. Cheers, sweetie. So we are at one of the best wineries in Paso Robles. Our good friend at the channel Vias for Vino, Vince, gave us this recommendation. This is the place he said, you must come. And I'll tell you what, we felt super cool because every time we told people we were coming to this place, they were like, that is the place you have to go to, right?
Yes. And now there are over 260 wineries in Paso Robles, and this one is the best. So that's why we're here, and we're taking you guys here too. But they are known for their Rhone varietals. So that is similar to something called Châteauneuf-du-Pape, a region in France that we visited a couple years ago. One of our favorite
And if you want to see what Châteauneuf-du-Pape is like, we'll put a link for the video right there.
All right, well, let's start tasting.
Yes.
Ooh, I love that rosé.
Really good. I'm liking everyone.
Yeah,
seriously, I'm liking
me too.
I like that's got that, is that Chardonnay? What is that? The next stop in our Tour de Paso took us to Kiler Ridge for some of Paso's best olive oil.
Cheers. Cheers.
Yes, that's right, we're doing an olive oil tasting.
Yeah, you got it now. Oh, yeah, they're all peppery.
Even Scotland got to try a little.
Tasting I've ever done.
The youngest tasting, congratulations.
She's 10 months. Okay, so we just finished up our olive oil tasting in Paso Robles at Kiler Ridge. Not only is Paso known for its wine, but it's known for its olives. This was the most extensive olive oil tasting we've ever done. We tasted 5 different olive oils that are produced right here at the farm. They were wonderful. Absolutely wonderful. We are finishing our olive oil tasting with ice cream topped with olive oil and sea salt. Never had this before, but it looks amazing. And I eat a lot of ice cream and a lot of olive oil. Oh my gosh. This is so good. You are going to love it. Did we just discover the best dessert in the world?
That's spectacular.
Mm-hmm.
So we just kind of finished up our tasting and we're hanging out on the grounds, just enjoying the weather. I think this is the most beautiful place in all of Paso. I mean, this is a stunning piece of property. You're on a hill overlooking all the vineyards, 360-degree views. This is just majestic. It's beautiful. I think we're just buzzing a little bit from the ice cream.
Oh, that ice cream though.
It's just a place. It's forever on with you.
Our final stop in Paso Robles was the coolest restaurant in all of Paso, the Alchemist Garden. I think the quote on their website says it best. We are a bar and restaurant manifested by dreamers to inspire creativity. This place had it all. Thought-provoking drinks and mouth-watering food.
Okay, we are at the Alchemist Garden in downtown Paso Robles. We're about to have some insane cocktails.
Oh, that's so cool.
Now we ordered painkillers, which you don't often see outside of the Caribbean. They are incredible here. Now, they are also known for their painkiller here, which is called the Bella Donna, the beautiful woman.
Cheers.
But cheers.
Ooh, that is some good stuff right there.
So if you are looking to take a break from wine and just need to wet your palate with a cocktail, definitely come here, downtown Paso Robles, right next to all of the other tasting rooms. We're not sick of the wine, but we just wanted to try a cocktail. So. I love it here.
Look at that.
Duck chalupa carnitas. Look at this thing. It's the size of my head. It might be bigger actually. Woo. Wow, the cabbage, the duck carnitas, symphony of flavors. You're gonna love it.
Come on, you wanna walk to Dada?